Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be seeing how to install Python for Windows. So to do that you need to grab the Python exe installer. So let's go to python.org and get the latest version for us. So you can go to downloads and you see that Python 3.5 cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier. So if you have an OS anything above Windows XP, you can use the latest version of Python, which is 3.7.3. Okay, so clicking here will give you the 32-bit option. If you need this 64-bit option, you need to click the view the full list of downloads and then pick the latest version 3.7.3 and click on download. So then go down, scroll down, and you have all the different versions. So you have 32-bit and the 64-bit installer. So let's grab this one. You have also Mac versions and you have Linux versions. So let's just wait. So we have the installer with us. Just open it. So one thing you need to make sure is you check this option, add Python 3.7 to path. Doing this sets up an environment variable and because of which you can directly access Python through command prompt if you like. So make sure to check this option. You will not need to manually add the Python environment variable yourself. Checking this option will make sure it automatically happens. So we have a install option, we have a customize option. So we have this documentation, pip, TCL. So pip is a tool, is a Python utility which allows you to very easily install Python libraries, standard libraries or other libraries which have been added by people. So this is pretty great. And this TCL/TK is basically a library that allows you to make GUI applications very easily. So this is also important. And IDLE is the integrated development environment, which you know that what it is. It basically allows you to run your code, debug your code, do everything. So that's important. Python test suite, standard library test suite, obviously, then PyLauncher for all users. Okay, so this is pretty much okay. And we have this. So nothing more is required. You can just click on install and let's install it. So we are installing the 64-bit version. The standard library. The standard library is huge. I'll be trying to cover it in future videos. The standard library is very powerful and has lots of things. So the setup was successful. Okay, so let's close this and let's open Windows. So the setup is completed. Now let's open Python. So you can go to IDLE. This is the integrated development environment. We'll be coding our Python scripts, right? So you have it, Python 3.7.3 shell. So we have this. So let's just run a basic command, Python hello. So the hello was printed. So that was it. We have installed Python 3.7.3. So in future videos, let's dive into it and start writing some awesome Python code. If you like this video, press the subscribe button and like and share with your friends who want to learn Python. I'll see you next time.